Bissell Spotclean Pet Pro is great for keeping a clean home. The spot here on this area rug cleaned up very nicely. You simply spray the spot, scrub it with the tough stain tool, and then extract the water and cleaning solution along with the stain. To use the machine, you will remove the clean water reservoir and fill it up with warm water from the tap. You can use hot water, just do not use boiling water. Then you will add 2 ounces of the Bissell carpet cleaning solution. One of these 8-ounce bottles does come with the machine. The handle on the machine has a pull trigger which you will use to dispense the cleaning solution onto the area that you are cleaning. I like to spray down the area, then scrub it with the bristles on the stain tool, and then extract the water and liquid. I continue this process until I am satisfied with the results. Simply spray, scrub, extract, repeat as necessary. This spot came up easily and I am very happy with how it turned out. One tool that I really like with this machine is the stain trapper tool. This one has a container on the bottom that collects any liquid that you extract. This is good because it keeps liquid out of the hose and the machine itself. Think about dirty messes, animal accidents, things that are gross that you don't want in your machine. Once you have extracted the liquid, you can now remove the bottom and discard the contents. You see, all of that stuff is now not in your machine. Now again, looking at that stain, it cleaned it up very nicely and that stain is gone. When you are completely done using the machine, you can clean the hose by using the included hydro rinse tool. This piece attaches at the end of the hose and replaces the scrub tool. Now you pull the trigger and recycle cleaning solution and water through the hose, cleaning out any debris that's caught in there. This will keep your machine nice and clean for future use. I also like to release the trigger and just leave the vacuum running for a minute or so to clear out any standing water in that hose. This machine also works great on most fabric materials such as couches, chairs, car seats, area rugs, mattresses, carpet, and more. Now it's time to remove the dirty water reservoir, flip the handle all the way over and discard the contents. There are 2 tabs on the lid with 2 slots on the handle. This acts like a lock, so you will have to move the handle all the way back to remove the lid. Now that everything is out, you can rinse out the dirty water reservoir, rinse off your tools that you use to clean, set everything aside, let it dry, and then you can store everything for the next use. Hopefully, this was helpful.